Tracy from the Alan Sewing Cat, and I'm just going to show you how to shorten the wrap skirt. So if you've got this pattern here of ours, the wrap skirt, I'll show you how you can make it a little bit shorter if you need to. So we're going to start on our back panel, which is nice and easy. We want to make this, say we're going to make it 3 inches shorter. Obviously you can adjust it to whatever size you want. So you can mark up 3 inches like this from the bottom. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, put a few marks. Same here, go up, same thing, 1, 2, 3, and again here, 1, 2, 3, and put some marks. So if you've got a normal ruler, do it like that, come all the way across, and then join those lines up. If you've got one of these lovely rulers here, of course you can line up that bottom edge here and come up 3 inches too, like that. Okay, and that gives you your new hemline. So you can then cut along that line and cut that bottom bit up, or fold it up if you prefer. So that's how we do our back panel, nice and simple. Then we have our curved panels. So our curved panels, we're going to start here. Now, what I want to do on this one is I'm going to measure up on the straight edge at the bottom. We can make sure that we're measuring up the same thing as before. So I'm just going to come up 3 inches from the bottom edge. So I'm coming down 1, 2, 3, lining that up there. And then I'm going to draw that line all the way along here. Okay, that's going to give us a guide. I'm going to stop about there. We won't go right to the edge, but it'll give us a guide. And then we're going to taper and curve this in. So what we want to know is where the tapering is going to start and stop. And I'm going to do it 20 inches, I think is a good amount on this skirt. So you're going to start at the top, come all the way down to 20 inches and just give yourself a little marker there on the side. And then we're going to curve those edges in. So we're going to start here, we're going to really sort of taper that off and kind of curve your line like this all the way in, from nothing here all the way into there. Now you can use your ruler to do this as well. I know it seems strange using a ruler to do a line, but then you can do lots of little lines which kind of can help you get that nice curve. Just lots of little lines all the way around like that, and just keep going to give yourself that nice corner shape there. Okay, so that would be your new line, and then that's 3 inches up from the bottom, and you can see that just kind of tapers in like that. You can obviously draw around things if you've got a plate that you want to draw around, or you want to use a compass to make that curve, but to be honest, just doing it by eye is normally good enough. And just double check that you're happy before you cut it. So that's the front, that's our back, and we've got another front panel here. Just find it here. And we're going to do the same on this one. So this is our other side front panel. Okay, so it's slightly different curve to the one before, but the same principle applies. So we're going to measure up 3 inches from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Draw your straight line across. Okay, and then we're going to curve that down. Same thing, I'm going to do 20 inches from the top. So coming down, 20-inch marker here, and that is where I'm going to start tapering it in. Again, I'm going to spin it around because I find it easier to do my curve that way. I'm right-handed, so I can get a nice arc like this. And you can do it a few times. Do it in pencil first if you're worried, and then when you're happy, just kind of pen it in. But you'll just see that it covers that edge, that mirrors that line rather there. Tapering into nothing from here. I'm just making it go around like that. Okay, so if you have like a French curve or a pattern master at home, that can help with the curves too. But like I said, you can always find curved objects. You can even cut off the excess here. So you could cut this little bit off here and then place that here to use as your template if you need to. But honestly, just curve it around like that. You'll know when you've got the right line. So I'm kind of, now I can see that that line there is the right line that I'm going to be using. And I would cut along that line, and that will make your skirt 3 inches shorter all the way around. But obviously adapt that to how you would like. It's kind of mid-calf length. I like my skirts quite long, and I've done that for, I'm 5'7", so for that sort of length. But obviously you can make it into a shorter skirt if you want to, or adjust it for your own personal height. And yeah, make it up and enjoy your skirt. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.